Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best dog first aid kit is probably one of the most important things you can have as a dog owner. Accidents can happen anytime, anywhere, and having the right supplies on hand can make a huge difference in your dog's well-being. In this video, we'll explore the essential components of a comprehensive dog first aid kit, helping you be prepared for any situation, from minor scrapes to more serious injuries. Number 5. Cat and Dog First Aid Kit for Car. This pet first aid kit is designed for worry-free journeys with your furry friend. It's a must-have for any pet owner who loves to travel with their dogs or cats. This kit is vet-reviewed and crafted in a medical facility. You can trust the quality of the emergency essentials inside, giving you peace of mind. Besides the first aid supplies, it includes a dog thermometer, muzzle, tick kit, flashlight, and a mini first aid pouch. It has everything you need in case of an emergency. A comprehensive first aid manual is included, with instructions for treating various injuries. This guide makes it easy to handle any situation that may arise. This kit is your first line of defense during outdoor activities. Whether you're hiking, jogging, or camping, it's designed to keep your pet safe. What we like? This kit is vet-endorsed, ensuring you have the right tools for any situation. It includes a dog thermometer, muzzle, and mini first aid pouch. If you are looking for a kit that provides peace of mind with vet-approved supplies, this is the one for you. What people say. The kit includes a variety of supplies, such as antiseptic wipes, gauze pads, and adhesive tape. The kit is compact and easy to carry. The kit contains essential items for addressing minor injuries. Number 4. ARCA Pet Dog First Aid Kit. Introducing the ARCA Pet First Aid Kit, designed for your adventurous dog. This kit ensures you're prepared for any situation, big or small, providing the care your pet needs on outdoor trips. This travel essential includes gloves, antiseptic, tweezers, scissors, and a first aid book. With this kit, you won't have to fumble when every second counts. It's a must-have for any pet owner. Perfect for daily use, camping, and hiking, this emergency kit is a necessity for outdoor enthusiasts. It's ideal for dog hunting and camping, ensuring your pet's safety. Compact yet complete, this medical kit is ready for any surprise. It's perfect for hiking, camping, and pet travel. Take it wherever you and your pet go, it's easy to carry. Filled with essentials, this kit ensures safety on every adventure. Enjoy worry-free outdoor fun with your pet. It's a crucial addition to your dog hiking gear collection. What we like? This kit is packed with 35 essential items, ensuring you're prepared for any adventure. It's also portable and lightweight, making it easy to take with you. If you like to go hiking or camping, this compact kit is perfect for keeping your pets safe on the trail. What people say. Has a ton of stuff in it, super compact and easy to travel with. It has everything I could think of, and is worth every penny. It's compact and fits in their pack or clips to the outside. Every pet owner needs to have one of these first aid kits. It has just about everything you need, in case of an injury. Number 3. RubyLoo Pet First Aid Kit. Every pet owner needs to be ready for anything. This vet-reviewed first aid kit is perfect for home, car, or travel. It's your peace of mind in case of unexpected emergencies. The supplies in this kit are carefully chosen by veterinary professionals. They are produced in a medical-grade facility, ensuring the best quality for your pet's needs. This kit includes all the necessary tools, like a tick remover and vet wrap. It focuses on what you truly need, without useless items that don't work well on fur. The hard-sided, waterproof case is great for any adventure. It has a strong zipper, mesh pockets, and reflective printing, making it easy to find what you need. It's compact and customizable. We are a woman-owned U.S. small business. Quality and customer service are our top priorities. We want you and your pet to be completely satisfied with your purchase. What we like? This kit is vet-reviewed, ensuring the highest quality of care for your pet. It focuses on pet-specific essentials and comes in a durable, organized case. If you have a pet that loves to explore, this kit is the perfect companion for any adventure. What people say. This is a great little kit. I used to transport pets often, and this came in handy when I was driving a dog that had a long scratch up her leg. The case itself is very sturdy. The implements that come with the kit are metal versus plastic. The pamphlet that comes with this kit is helpful, including how to use the items in the kit. This is a very nice one, with well thought of accessories. Number 2. Adventure Medical Kit's Trail Dog Medical Kit. This kit is designed specifically for dogs who love the outdoors. It provides specialized care for common injuries like paw wounds. It's perfect for any adventure you and your dog take together. Weighing only 12 ounces, this pack is lightweight and easy to carry. The Dryflex waterproof bag keeps everything inside safe and dry, no matter the weather. It's built to last. Inside, you'll find all the essentials for pet first aid. This includes sterile bandages and important tools. This kit makes it easy to handle emergencies when you're on the go. This kit also comes with a helpful instruction manual. It guides you through providing medical attention during your outdoor trips. You'll be prepared for anything. This pack is designed to fit easily in your backpack, car, or at your campsite. That means it's always within reach when you need it. Keep it handy for peace of mind. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for trail adventures, offering specialized care for paw injuries. It's compact, durable, and includes an instruction manual. If you have an active dog who loves to hike, this kit ensures you're prepared for any outdoor emergency. What people say. It has enough useful cleaning wipes to clean up most wounds and the all-important tweezers for ticks. Has everything you need for your dog on an adventure hiking or just a regular walk. Has everything to take care of them until you can get them to a vet. Number 1. ZeekPet Medical Bag for Dogs and Cats. This kit from ZeekPet contains everything you need in case of a pet emergency. It's a perfect medical bag for addressing wounds and bleeding, ensuring your pet's safety. Inside, you'll find self-adhering bandages, a styptic pencil to stop bleeding, a tick removal tool, an emergency blanket, and a pill box. These items are specifically chosen to help your pet. The kit is well organized with clear compartments, so you can quickly find what you need. This makes it easy to access the necessary medical supplies in a stressful situation. Take this kit with you on camping, hiking, or wilderness trips. A pet first aid guide is also included, ensuring you're prepared for any emergency. All items are sterile and expertly packaged. The water-resistant and durable bag is compact, measuring 5.9 inches by 4.7 inches by 2.0 inches. It's lightweight and easy to carry. What we like. This kit focuses on trauma care, providing specialized items like a styptic pencil and emergency blanket. It's also well organized, making it easy to find what you need quickly. If you have a pet that is prone to injuries, this kit is essential for providing immediate care. What people say. Small compact. Great starter. Compact first aid kit, perfect for pups that tag along in hiking and backpacking. Very impressed with this very well-packed kit. So many items included, including lots of sterile wipes, bandages and wraps, extra leash, and even a tick removal tool and tweezers. The case keeps everything well contained. Everything was in good condition. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.